folks, welcome to Paragon-100G Demo video. Here is the home screen with the icons for Synchy Wander, Jitter, PTP and the cat. PTP and Jitter are greyed out because of future releases. Cat does the Wander analysis, MTI-TDEV software. We just go to Synchy Wander, head to instrument mode. Here we have the settings for TX-RX mode or through mode, and also the settings for clock, i.e. using the transmit clock from the Synchy receiver, or alternatively using an internal or external clock. So just set it to Synchy using the receive clock. Going to set up ports. Here we have the where you set up under references here, the clock references. So you can use a BNC unbalanced, selection of radio buttons, 2 megs, 5 megs, 10 megs, 15 megs, E1 and 6.3 megs, etc. Or I can choose the balanced RJ48 for E1, T1, or 64K for Japan, and then termination impedance of 100 or 120 ohms. Clock reference outputs shown here are always enabled, but they can either be selected to be 10 megs unbalanced BNC or 2 megs unbalanced, or 2.048 megs to be precise, unbalanced BNC. Now if we go to the Ethernet main interface rates, here you can select 40 gigs QSFP+, 100 gigs CXP, or 100 gigs CFP2 on both ports. Or if you turn the coupling off, you can independently have different rates on port 1 to port 2. So if we select coupling back on and then select 100 gigs CFP2, go to run apps. So here we have at the top a track based approach, so we've got two Wander measurements, so you can start and stop these independently, or use the stop all start all button to run your Wander simultaneously. The activity lights come on, Wander's running. You can generate your ASMC messages using full decodes. So if we start both the ASMC generators, port 1, port 2, you can now see they're enabled. Bottom track here is for Wander generation, so you've got frequency offset, tolerance, transfer, etc. I'll just show you the frequency offset. You can apply, say, a 50 ppm offset, apply, generate, and it's now generating that frequency offset. You can now see the Wander generation tabs on because it's generating that offset. Again, you can do tolerance, so single point on the mask, you've got the frequency and your amplitude, just hit generate and it will generate that particular tolerance point. You've got table sign, so it goes through all of the points in the table. Again, you just hit generate and it will step through all of the points in the table. For MTI, you've got G8262 option 1 MTI, you've got option 1 TDEV, and you've got option 2 TDEV. Just hit generate and it starts doing the MTI TDEV Wander tolerance testing. For transfer, now to do transfer you would have to select the Wander measurements to stop first of all. You deselect your Wander measurements. If we go to transfer here now, so you can now do a transfer. Got the calibration and then a generation, so we'll do that in a single point here. You can choose whichever point you want it to be, or if you want to choose the table approach and go step through the mask, again you see all the settings there. We'll go through all of the points in the mask, but first of all you have to do a calibration cycle and then do the measurement. So in the interest of time I'm not going to show all of that. Then here's the setting for G8262 option 2 TDEV transfer, which you just hit generate and it will automatically do that for you. So let's switch off Wander generation, switch back on the Wander measurements. So we can go to the cat. This is where you have your Wander analysis software. This is very much under development at the moment, but this is where you see your MTI TDEV metrics, clock MAFE, clock FFO, your results. You'll see the tabs here for MTI TDEV. There isn't any data in here at the moment, it's just a demo video we're seeing. So back to the main GUI, and lastly we'll show you the script recorder. Look at the script recorder, it's been recording all of the messages you've been doing since the start of this video. You can easily choose between Perl, Python, TCL, etc. So, back to the main GUI. That's all I really want to show you in the Paragon 100G GUI today. Thank you.